today I'm with Matthew, and we're going to be smashing open the microwave.
It's really new.
Yeah. I've already made it a bit smaller. Got a little dip here.
3 more shots.
3 more.
We both have 5 shots,
Yeah.
and then we switch. Last
Now,
one.
to the bottom. Last one. Oh, there it is.
Boom.
Matthew's go.
So now, that's what happened to the top. We're going to show you the front. It's inside the microwave. We found it inside my mom's garage. Whoa! Let's see that front.
Oh, and it also did some damage at the back.
Yeah, that seriously is coming off. But we're not going to take it off yet. Whoop!
We're gonna let it come off naturally.
Oh, what?
We'll show you all the pieces at the end.
Oh, that one fell off. Look at that front.
And
That's
look at the
actually
side.
gone. Oh. Oh. Okay, and your last shot's now, I'm pretty sure.
Where should I do it?
I know you can do it on the other side or the top. Boom.
Oh, that did some damage.
Okay. Make sure, kids, you don't do this at home. Even though we are.
Yeah, because we are trained professionals in...
Even though we smashed the toaster open in an iPad, now it's for the big microwave.
Okay, guys, now we have to wear...
Yeah, because I saw a whole bunch of stuff flying. But
Oh.
only the one who's smashing its protection. Matthew, stand back a bit. Oh, God. That's
Whoa.
2.
Now I'm going to go around this side, because I'm a lefty before.
Okay.
2 more shots.
More shots. Karate.
Whoa, the top's really coming off. Well,
Yeah.
that's the bottom because it's upside down.
I'll check. Yeah, it's upside down. That's the bottom. I didn't know what to show you from the bottom. Okay, and the final shot.
Whoa.
Whoa, I see batteries and everything.
Oh, the wires.
We have to throw the wires out, but
Okay, guys,
now it's
after
Matthew's
this...
turn.
Okay, here we go.
Now Matthew's turn.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so. I'm gonna go.
Oh my god. That's 1. Oh, that's a big dent. 2. Oh. 3. Oh, 4. And finishing 5. Let's see what he did.
Holy shit.
Battery's actually coming out. I don't think we can take all the battery. We're just going to take one part of it.
Whoa.
You know, I've actually got a collection, Matthew, of my stuff, of the toaster.
Yep. Well, no, not really.
Yeah, I do.
So what's up, guys? It's your boy Wolfie. No, I'm just kidding. It's me, Matthew, and Sam here, and we are still going to be opening the microwave.
Now we're going to do it inside a hospital. There's no electronics or electricity stuff in there. That did actually nothing. That's why you gotta go. Did I just hear something go? No, whatever. Okay, now the clothesline's in the way.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel.
Whoa, is that like golden battery burnt stuff? Whatever.
That's probably copper. 2 more shots.
4.
Last one. Better make it count.
Pogo stick.
Ooh,
Pogo stick's not the best, but.
the Poco stick.
But it's long. Whoa! I think it's time.
Now we'll let that come out naturally.
Okay, I'll just bend it open so we can smash the battery bit. Oh, I see the fan and it just goes. Psh. I don't think it works anymore.
Whoa, look.
Don't touch.
There's an Xbox thing.
It says don't touch high voltage.
Well, then I would not touch.
Well, you know what? All of its power's gone, I'm pretty sure. First of all, we smashed it. That took everything out. Second of all, it's been out in the dumpster for a while, I think.
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay. Oh, yeah, we just opened it up. Whoa!
Home run. Even though we're using a cricket bat.
Yeah, that's because.
Yeah, I mean, it's common sense. You would use a cricket bat in baseball.
Yeah.
Like, who wouldn't?
That's actually destroyed by Matthew. Whoa! Oh, 3, 4. And. Hey! Now I get 7 like you.
Shout out to Noah because he couldn't be here today. Hopefully he got in.
But we were impatient.
Yeah.
I get 7 shots like Matthew. Oh my goodness.
1.
Wow. That's it. I'm gonna go to the top. Hey Top, how you doing? I see you're fine. Okay, now let's go. Whoa.
Oh yeah, I got that out.
Here you got that out. And this thing.
Yeah, that was the button that you normally
Oh,
push.
it's really oily. Okay, hopefully with my 6 more shots I can destroy this. 1.
No, that's your second.
I know.
Shots.
I get 7 shots.
Yeah.
And now it's
5 more.
whoa, I missed. 4,
4. 3. 2.
Oh, my ears! And the last 2 go to the pogo stick.
No, I lost 1.
Gee, I can't hold it like that. Yeah, maybe we should hold it. Alright. Okay, yeah. And last one.
Okay.
Let's
So-
see the damages.
He did do
Whoa,
some
pogo
damages to the top.
Okay. Yep. Okay. Matthew 1. We only get 5 shots now. 2. Oh, I see that thing. 3. 4. 5. Okay, that's good. Now Matthew's gonna throw this thing. He'll count us 3.
Yeah.
Oh God.
That did some damage.
Okay, you can have another one.
Nah, I'm just gonna use the bat now.
What's the back one? There.
2 more.
Yep, Matthew gets 2 more. 1. It's a good day to swim in Noah's pool. And boom. Hey, that's enough. Okay, I get 6.
Come on, carry it.
Okay, guys.
Oh, I thought that was coming for me. Shoot.
Oh, it's so tiring. Where's the baseball bat?
Here it is.
I'll let 2 more shots.
Yes. That scared me so much.
I'm saying that's tiring. Ooh, I want the fan. Ouch.
I get the fan and the copper, and you get everything.
Okay.
Oh. Oh no! I just sat on like.
Oh no! What have you done to my microwave? We kind of smashed it open.
Happy birthday.
Give me this, I'll smash yours open now.
Guys, hope you enjoyed the video.
Like
and subscribe.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.